Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so today I am going to be having a bun-less burger. So I decided I'll show you guys how I'm going to put together my bun-less burger. So I'm going to be using lettuce. Here I have my 100% Angus beef. So that's going to go on top. Then I'm going to add, on top of that, I will add some veganese. So I have some veganese here. I'm going to put some veganese on top. It's not, but should be good. So let me spread that out. Okay. If you want, you can add mayo, but I'm going to be using veganese. I'm also going to add some mustard to my own. Spread this out a little bit. I'm going to add some ketchup to my own. Okay, should be good. Now on top of this, I'm going to layer some red onion. I'm going to put a tomato. I'm also going to put 2 cucumbers. You don't have to use cucumbers. That's not traditional in a hamburger, but I want to add some extra veggies to mine. And then to cover our burger, I'm going to be using another lettuce leaf. So to cover my burger, I'm going to use another lettuce leaf. And basically, guys, that's my dinner tonight. Of course, if you wanted to add some, like a little sprinkle some sea salt, let me just do it this way. When I'm going to eat it, I'm actually going to hold it like this, and I will hold it like this and bite into my burger like this. But for you guys to see it, I'll just tilt it like this so you can see. So there you have it, folks. This is a nice dinner idea. If you don't have bread, or if you're gluten-free like me, you can simply put together a bun-less burger. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this dinner idea. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.